What's up, guys? We're still continuing the journey, so let's start going. Mom, do you want to take a run?
What? Be careful, don't step in the dirt.
Okay. We're getting a lot of bugs here.
There are a lot of bug bites.
Oh, God, Mom. God.
There's the regular trail.
Let's go on the regular trail.
Let's go. This is the wild off trail. There's the birds.
Ooh, birdies. Soon we're going to be skipping rocks. What the heck is that?
I don't want it to sting me.
What is it?
I don't know, it's blue.
Whatever it is, let's go. Did it leave?
I don't know what it was, but it's not on the ground.
Ugh.
The plant.
Yep.
Oh, I guess it took us out. Which way you want to go?
That way.
This way?
Mhm.
Back in?
Yep. Going back in on our trip.
Spider web.
Are you knocking them over? Yeah, you're. Huh?
I went through it.
Hey guys, it's me, Matt. I'm just Sam, always in the back. So don't want to get hurt. I'm just leaving it all to the lady. Right now I'm leaving it all to the lady. Sorry.
There's the water rushing right there.
Whoa.
See?
Would you take a look at that, guys? Whoa, butterfly.
I think today's a good day to go to the pool for a little bit.
Yeah. Take a YouTube video.
Elle?
Huh?
What do you think, Elle?
I think we can do that. Yeah, let's do that. Whoa. We're stuck. Dead end. We fell into a dead end.
You never really want to step over lots of leaves and sticks because that's where snakes like to go.
Well, we're in a dead end, so we're gonna have to just go walk back. Mom, don't go on that trail. That's probably poison ivy there.
This is a workout too, hiking.
Yeah.
I haven't come across any coyotes or snakes or anything. Just a bunch of bugs and nothing bug bite.
Yep. So guys, I'm in the back again. Like I'm always in the back because if something's gonna go wrong, my mom's handling it. I'm not handling it. I'm the smart one here. She's the one that destroys nature. So yeah. Put the mini cap on. And soon, guys, I'm going to be making a music song. Like, I'm going to be making a song called Funky Monkey.
You want to go back this way?
Sure, let's do that.
And we can go. There's so many different trails here.
I think we might get stuck.
These are the main trails because you can because people ride their bikes and stuff.
Yeah. And that other trail, you can't do that. We're making like different parts of this of these videos, like part 1, part 2, part 3. Right now we're on part 3. So yeah. Where are we going, Mom? I want to go into the trail, and I think everybody else does as well. I'm the YouTuber. They're the viewers.
Oh, well, we gotta go around. Oh, look, the white butterfly.
Ooh, white butterfly. And guys, I'm trying to plan a lot of good things with you guys to make some videos. I'm planning a lot of good stuff, fun stuff. Like right now, I just planned
Walk next to me, please.
a hiking trail, and I'm planning probably to go to a place for like might go to Great Wolf Lodge to make some videos. Go on some water slides with the camera so y'all can watch and see how scary it is, or go on Six Flags rides. This was one of the fun plans. If y'all don't like it, then I'm sorry. Oh, and I am trying to...
They should try it out because it's a relaxing workout. Hiking in nature. They're going to have a picnic. Jordan had a picnic here before over across the pond over there.
Oh.
It's like a blanket. Make some sandwiches.
There's a biker. There's a lake, whatever y'all would call it. You gonna run, Mom? There's that building that we had to ask for the permission to be on this property. It's for free to come here if you want to come. Some trails. So guys, we're going to be going to back in the trail again. If y'all want me. Yeah, that's the way we went in earlier. That.
It's a little warm today, huh?
Yeah, that's the trail we went in through earlier.
I want to turn it off a little bit.
Okay. See y'all in a minute.